Now in this question, the Fibonacci sequence is defined by 1 is equal to A1 and A2. In the Fibonacci sequence, if you have heard it, a lot of interesting things are there. Fibonacci sequence was given by an Italian mathematician. It was Leonardo Pisa who gave it, and in future each and everything depends on it. Okay, for example, Fibonacci series, Fibonacci spiral, each and everything you will be getting bundle of things, bundle of literature on all these things. Okay, so it is given that series or sequence is an is equal to an minus 1, an minus 2, also a1 is equal to a2 is equal to 1 and n is greater than 2. Okay. So now let us find it. N is equal to 3. So we are having now a2 plus a1, this is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, n is equal to 4, a3 plus a2, 4 minus 1 3, a3 plus a2. Now a3 is 2 plus a2 is 1, so it becomes 3, n is equal to 5, a4 plus a3, this is equal to, a4 now is 3, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, n is equal to 6, a5 plus a4, sorry a5, yeah, a5 plus a4, sorry it is 6 minus 1 5, okay. So a5 is what, 5 plus 3, this is 8. Similarly, we can write number of terms, okay. Now what we have to evaluate, no, we have to find, no, to find an plus 1 upon an. Now this we have to find for n 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now when n is equal to 1, we get a2 upon a1, this is equal to 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. Now when n is equal to 2, a3 upon a2, now a3 is what, 2, n is equal to 4, so we are having a3 as 2 upon 1, this is equal to 2. So we have written when n is equal to this and this one, okay. So this is what basically you can write also that this is a3, this is a4, this is a5, this is a6. You can write like this also, okay. Now when n is equal to 3, we get a4 upon a3. Now a4 is what, 3, so it is 3 upon 2. When n is equal to 4, a5 upon a4. Now a5 we are having 5, so this becomes 5 upon 3. When n is equal to 5, a6 upon a5. Now a6 is what, 8 and a5 is what, 5, sorry, okay. So like this we are getting the results for one answer, this is also answer for 5th, 4th and answer for 5th. Now basically the thing which the question makes you understand, it was about the Fibonacci sequence. Now I am just writing it. Fibonacci series 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, and it goes like this. Okay, so sum of the first two, sum of these two, you can just check it, sum of these two, it is 2, sum of these two, it is 3, sum of 2 and 3 is 5, sum of 3 and 5 is 8, 5 and 8 is 13, like this it goes on. This was what given by the Italian mathematicians.